Hello guys, my name is Jesus. We are here at the PPA warehouse. PPA is the biggest manufacturer in Brazil, okay? So we are behind a really good company. This is the top of the line, the Cube Nexus 1300. This is the residential operator that we have this time, or we are promoting. Is the fastest operator in UL technology on this time. What do we have here? This is a residential operator that can carry up to 1,300 pounds, okay? It has a good cycling. You can carry up to 60 cycles per hour. And the key features that I always love to tell our customer is the speed. This is our main, it's a really fast gate operator. It's a slim. Everything is inside of the box. You receive 20 foot of change, depending on what you want. If you want stainless steel, or if you want regular steel change, it will go with 2 remotes. It came, as you see it, with a stand, and the way how it operates, if you look, is with physical stuff. So just one button, and that's it.